Why this dropshipping store is unprofitable? My friend, I will show you a very basic designs this dropshipping store even didn't do. That's why this store is not getting any sales, any traffic. So first of all, you can see that what they are selling. This is a very bad designs, and the hero sections is not its hero. It's like a it's like kind of banner of like it's 10 years ago we see that these types of stores, but this is the 2025, and in right now how they are making this types of store. I'm very surprised. Okay, so the first things that they have a announcement bar, the end of summer now live. Okay, so summer is in. Okay, good, but sale now live, body toned, home catalog contact. The logo, you can see that very small. It should be a very professional, high converting, because your logo is your brand. When customer will come to your store, they will see that your logo, it means a brand store. But this is very small, how they will read. Even the menu is very bigger than logo. And the banner photo, end of summer sale, this is the same, that the announcement bar and the hero section text is same. So you are keeping these two texts in the two place in same. So why this is mistakes? You cannot make this. Okay, in these sections you can hook to your customers like some things like that. The best summer's products you will miss if you don't buy these or something more. You can use ChatGPT. Yes, this is the age of ChatGPT. Why you don't use everything? You can use about ChatGPT. They will help you. And then in the bottom, featured products. Okay, fine. Buy one get one free now live available. Okay, so this is also mistakes, like featured products, buy one get one free. Focus vegan capsules product is also a kind of high competition, because right now the supplement product is very high competition. Shipping protection 2.95 USD. Why you are selling protection? No, this is, you cannot do it. Then hear it from our customers. Okay, very big sections. This is not mobile friendly also. This customer sections you have to keep in here, like in this measurement. Okay, by this measurement, but you are keeping this very big. Customers have no time that they will see this customer's review. Okay, I can open this video. Also the stores loading speed is very bad. You can see that the basic mistake that they stores owner did, that the customer's review is very big screen. It's not in the mobile friendly, because 80% of customers you are coming from the mobile. Okay, so this is not good, my friend. Subscribe to our emails. No socials links, no testimonials, no product benefit. Okay, I am very surprised. You will be surprised that they are how many traffics they are getting. Trend check showing that 0 in June, 0 in July, even this month also 0, and they are not running any ads, because they have no good products, no good stores. So simply they will not get any traffic, any sales. So my friend, I will show you another stores, the comparing. Okay, so for example, this is a store. Okay, you can compare which store is good. Just see. Okay, my friend, this is the logo they made, very high converting branding logo. Pre-order now, it's announcement bar, and the hero section is very hookable, high attracting. Okay, the touch sleeper solution, customers can easily within a few seconds they will know that this is a sleeping product. Okay, and they have a problem. This is a solution of the stores. They can they can connect to the stores within 2 or 3 seconds by the hero section. Okay, and in the bottom they have driven like benefit driven text. Okay, fall asleep in 15 minutes, no pills. Okay, they give the solution, and before after. Okay, before you using this product and after using the product, your sleeping is very good. And then is also some blog posts, what is the benefit of the product. Okay, the benefits. Okay, everything. Okay, and in the bottom they have kept like a bundle sections. Okay, 1 month 2 months supply. Okay, which is very good. Okay, so and now you can compare these stores. Okay, why this is not getting any sales, why this is not profitable. Okay, so my friend, if you also want to make a very high converting Shopify store, just comment below. And if you have stores, you are not getting sales, you want to scale, so please contact me by my social media, I will help you. Okay, definitely.